To this tutorial, I will show you how to turn this box into a 3D human mesh using Venus 3D. Add box primitive, insert loop cut in the middle, delete half of the mesh, add the mirror modifier, then add 3 more loop cuts, scale up the mesh, select the bottom corner edge and move it on the x-axis. Select the middle side edge and move it on the x-axis as well. As for the top corner edge, move it on the y-axis, and now we have a basic torso. Select the bottom corner face and extrude it. Scale it down and move it on the x-axis. Rotate it on the z-axis while snapping. You can do so by tap and hold your finger while rotating. Extrude it 2 times. Extrude it again. Now select the front face and extrude it. Select the top edge and move it down. Select the front face and extrude it again, and select the top edge and move it down. Now extrude the shoulder face and scale it down on the y-axis. Select the bottom face and extrude it 4 times. To scale down the top body without affecting the legs, select the arm bottom face and grow select. Now scale down on the z-axis, adjust the body proportion by selecting and moving faces and edge loops. Now to add fingers to the hand, we need more edge loops. To avoid adding more loop cuts to the rest of the body, we need to block the loop cut from going all the way through the mesh. And since we still don't have the knife tool, the easy workaround is to poke some faces. Now we can insert loop cuts in the single face that we need. Now select the 4 faces, inset and extrude them 2 times. Select the side face, inset and extrude. Rotate, move it down, extrude, scale down and move it down. Now for the head, if you try to extrude the top face, it will overlap with the mirrored face. So it is a good time to validate the mirror modifier. Now select the top faces and extrude them. Scale them down and extrude them again. Select the top middle edge and move it up. Select the front 2 faces and extrude them. Scale them down and adjust some edges. Add subdivision modifier. And add loop cut to the neck and scale it down. And that's it for today.